Want to make the most of your time at home as a creator, musician, or artist? Stick around because I've got 3 ways that you can use this time to your advantage. Hi, I'm Megan Kuhar, and if you don't know me, I'm here to help you gain confidence to totally rock your social media, technology, and brand as a creative online. So I've got 3 tips to help you take advantage of all this time at home that you're probably spending not gigging, not having events, not getting out there and networking. So let's just get started. The first thing that you can really do with this time at home is to actually take some time to align in your purpose as an artist. What motivates you to create? What's your purpose behind creating? What's your perspective as an artist? What's your big picture mission? If you don't know the answer to these questions, then spending the time to answer them while you're home is really going to help you to actually build a brand and a social media presence that can really support your career and help you to feel better about marketing yourself, better about promoting, and more authentic when you actually put content out there. There's nothing worse than opening up a website platform, getting ready to build your website, and not knowing what the heck to even write on the landing page. If you can figure out your purpose as an artist, then it becomes clear to you how to communicate that with other people, and it helps you to start attracting the types of opportunities that you're really looking for in your life. You can easily say yes or no to things that people ask you to do because you know what your big picture mission is. Not only that, but as you start to figure out your purpose as an artist and start promoting your work and putting your work out there, your fans will feel a stronger connection to you because they will feel like they can relate to you as a person because they're aligned with your purpose too. And that's the whole reason why building a loyal fan base first takes the understanding of who you are and what your mission is. When you're aligned, you feel more in tune with your work, your marketing, your practice, your projects, because you know what the end goal is. I don't know about you, but I'm a musician, and when I started playing music, I was in 2nd grade. I begged my parents for a piano for a year and then decided that I wanted to start taking piano lessons. I didn't know what my purpose was or what my mission was. I just thought it would be fun. If I hadn't stopped to think about what I was trying to do with my art, then I would still be just creating art for just no reason. I would just be doing it on autopilot. Doing anything on autopilot is not going to get you to your end goal in time. It's going to take a lot longer, and it's going to take a lot more trial and error to be able to get to where you want to be. So really knowing and being in tune with your mission and your purpose, it's going to bring you more success a lot faster. Not only is it going to be a lot easier to say yes or no to opportunities and projects, but knowing your purpose as an artist will help promotion feel less self-centered and more like it's actually a way for you to share that purpose and belief system with your fans. One of my clients told me that once she was able to figure out her purpose and mission as an artist, she felt more like promotion was all a really big positive thing. It didn't have to feel inauthentic. It didn't have to feel spammy because she knew that she was trying to share a big picture and it wasn't really about her anymore. So that's the biggest benefit to figuring out your purpose is now it doesn't have to be all about you. It can be about what that mission is. All right, so you're at home, you're social distancing, you're not really playing gigs or communicating with other creatives. What else can you do to kind of make the most of your time? One of the best things that I find about social media in my feed is that I'm constantly surrounded by inspiring, empowering people that I just look up to and love watching their day-to-day life. And for me, I don't really have a lot of negativity in my feed, but there's a reason for that. I unfollowed a lot of people a while ago. If you have a feed that brings you down, that makes you feel negative, that makes you feel like social media is all about ego, then I encourage you to spend this time at home unfollowing people who alter your perception of social media to be more about something negative and less about something positive. And then after you unfollow those negative people, go out there and seek out inspiring people to follow on social media. One of my colleagues one time said that social media smacked of egoism, and I don't think they realized that I was going to hear their comments. Otherwise, I don't think they would have said it. It really actually struck me because what I realized was, for me, I don't see that at all on social media. But the reason is because my feed is full of awesome, rad, totally cool people. So if your feed is bringing you down, then I encourage you to spend this time to unfollow people who make you feel crappy and fill that feed up with inspiration, because that's what you need to be surrounded with right now. All right, the third way that you can take advantage of time social distancing is to educate yourself in areas of the creative industry that you have been putting off. So many people I work with tell me that they've been so busy practicing, creating art, putting gigs on, making events happen, all of the pieces and parts and gears that go into being a creative person, that they haven't actually spent the time learning and educating and growing as entrepreneurs. They haven't spent the time building their website. They haven't spent the time taking business courses online. They haven't spent the time learning about branding and marketing and social media. Now you have time. All of those gears have frozen in place, and now you're faced with a situation where there's an endless amount of time for you to be able to actually get some education in and grow and evolve as an entrepreneur. The hamster wheel has stopped. This is a rare opportunity. So take this time to read a book or listen to podcasts or take an e-course. There are so many great resources out there coming from some awesome people on the internet, and they've all been here this whole time. So now that you actually have the time to be able to read and do more listening and do more education, use that time and do that, because pretty soon that hamster wheel is going to start rolling again and you're going to be back on that treadmill. All right, so stick around, because in the next video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that artists can make money online starting now. So don't miss out. Make sure you click subscribe and check me out in the next video.